How to make people admin on Discord. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to make people admin on Discord. So with no further ado, let's get into it. So before we really dive into this, I just want to tell you that in adding someone on admin, it's really much better if you use a desktop on that rather than on phone, since since you cannot actually use your phone to change the person's role as an admin. So here all you have to do is to go to the server or your server. Let's say this server here, and I have my members here, and on that server I want you to right click on that. Right click on this, and here you will see server settings. So click on the server settings here, and then you will see overview, roles, emoji, stickers, and many more here. So you may want to go to the roles. Now we have to create a roles for admin. So what you want to do is to create a role here. You will see this. Click on that, and you could actually assign a color for that. Let's say you want to use this yellow, and then you will have to click on the role name, let's say admin, and then you choose an image if you have, and then you will now go to the permissions. So for the permissions, if you admin is really a huge admin holds a huge well, basically, if you assign someone as an admin, it will he or she will have a total control of the Discord account. So you must be very mindful, for you have to turn on their permission. So if you entrust someone to be the admin, then they could actually manage the channel, view the channel. They could actually manage the roles like what you're doing right now. They could manage the image, the stickers, and basically everything. So they can manage the nickname. They can actually kick members, ban members, time out members, and click on many responsibilities that you want to give to the admin, and then click on save changes. Now if we go back here, there is already an admin here, and what you want to do next is on the left side you will see here the members under the user management. Click on the members, and then choose the person who you want to be an admin. For example, I wanna assign Hong as my admin. So here you will see a plus sign here, and click on admin, and basically she is now an admin to the group. And as you can see here, her name is already highlighted in yellow, meaning her role is an admin. So basically that is how you make people admin on Discord. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day. Thank you.